Part 1. How to remove the tweeter from the speaker. Disassemble the grill. There are 2 screws on the grill on both sides of the speaker. Pull out the pin. Remove the 6 screws on the horn and remove the horn of tweeter. Mark the wire of the crossover and the connection of the binding post of the tweeter. The red binding post is connected to the white wire, and the black binding post is connected to the blue wire. Part 2. How to change the diaphragm and debug the tweeter. Remove the 4 flange nuts on the horn. And remove the tweeter. Remove the 3 screws on the back can of tweeter. And remove the damaged diaphragm. Debug the frequency scan signal generator. Our company sets the parameters of the frequency scan signal generator. 50 to 500 Hz frequency scanning, output voltage, 4V, see the video in detail. Install the new diaphragm to the tweeter. Cover the back can, and lock 3 screws slightly without tightening. Connect the frequency scan signal generator with tweeter. Debug the pure sound. Ensure that the screw is tightened and the pure sound is normal. Put the tweeter on the horn. Ensure that the 4 flange nuts are tightened. Assemble the tweeter with horn inside the speaker. Correctly connect the wires of crossover with the binding post. The red binding post is connected to the white wire. The black binding post is connected to the blue wire. Tighten the 6 screws on the horn and lock the speaker. Part 3. How to remove the LF driver from the speaker. Disassemble the 4 screws of the handle on the left and right sides and remove the handle. Remove 4 screws on the LF driver. Disassemble the damaged LF driver. Mark the wire of the crossover and the connection of the binding post of the LF driver. The LF drivers is connected in series. The red binding post is connected to the red wire. The black binding post is connected to the yellow wire. The other LF driver black binding post is connected to the black wire, and the red binding post is connected to the yellow wire. Replace the new LF driver. Tighten 4 screws. Put back the handle on the left and right sides. Assemble the grill. Pay attention to the grill logo is in the upper left corner. Part 4. How to debug the speaker after replacing the tweeter, LF driver. Use the test microphone. The test distance is kept at 1 meter. Connect the signal cable and speaker cable to the distribution box. And connect the laptop with M44T processor. Use the program of LA210 from the M44T processor. Connect the smart test system and measure the frequency response curve of the speaker. Tools: a set of hexagonal spoons, electric batch slash with a set of batch mouths, 6U rack for LA210 speaker, speaker cable, signal cable, smart test system. When measuring the frequency response curve, you should save the document for the normal frequency response curve, and then test the frequency response curve of the change driver. Compared both two curves, and the frequency response curve was in the positive and negative 3 dB, which is normal.